Hello, in this video I will show you the location and how to remove and replace the Serpentine belt on Opel Vectra B 1.8 petrol. The Serpentine belt on this car is located on the side of the engine, right there. In order to remove the Serpentine belt and then replace it, you need to do it from underneath the car. It's not possible to do it from top of the car. First I'm going to remove the front right wheel so that I get better access to the Serpentine belt and I have a better view for the camera. You don't have to remove the wheel because you might be able to do it without removing it, but I'm going to remove it anyway. Also, we need to remove this cover covering the Serpentine belt. If the video is useful, please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this. And now that the cover is removed, we have access to the Serpentine belt. There's the Serpentine belt right there, and the tensioner is just over there. In order to remove the belt, we need to turn the tensioner clockwise and the belt will get loose. To turn the tensioner clockwise, we need to put the wrench on the tensioner pulley bolt and turn it clockwise. Now when I turn the tensioner, you see how the belt will get loose and I can remove the belt. And that's the belt removed. Now I can take out the belt completely and replace it with a new one. Next I'll show you a diagram of the routing of the Serpentine belt. First is for a car without AC, and the second diagram is for a car with AC. Hopefully the video was helpful. Thank you for watching.